Hi and welcome to my channel. Today I'm sharing with you progress on a long pose drawing that I did here in my studio from life. If you find this demo useful, please do me a favor and like and subscribe. And if you want to know all the secrets to how I make these drawings, check out my online figure drawing academy. It is a 16-week course that walks you through every aspect of figure drawing. So we cover everything from how to get good proportion, how to shade realistically, to how best to work from photographs, and how not to chase the model when you are working from life. So check that out at figuredrawingacademy.com. And for now, enjoy the demo. Hey you guys, thank you so much for watching this with me today. If you'd like some ideas on how to improve your drawings, check out this video for some tips, and I'll see you next time.